What if I told you that you could have cheesy mashed potatoes inside your garlic bread? Join me as I take on this challenge. Greetings Sanbonani and welcome. My name is CBO. Let's begin. Wash and boil the potatoes with their skin to lessen moisture. A list of ingredients and more information will be in the description box below. Grate the mozzarella cheese. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the potatoes are tender, peel them while they are hot. You may use a kitchen cloth to hold them. Cut them into cubes and put them into a mixing bowl. Add butter, salt, and black pepper. Sprinkle the potato spice, then add sour cream, that's optional, and fresh milk. If you like preparing easy, delicious recipes, please subscribe and press the notification bell. It is free to subscribe. Mash the potatoes until they are smooth. If you don't have a masher, you can use a sieve or a grater or a fork. Add the crushed garlic and mash until they are all blended. Taste them to make necessary adjustments. If the mash is thick, add milk and mix. Make necessary adjustments to suit your consistency. Here I do wish that I used an immersion blender or a sieve to make my potatoes smooth. With your clean dry hands, sprinkle flour on a flat surface. Today I am using a store-bought dough. It is affordable, or you can make your own. This is just for convenience. Flatten it or open it up. Then sprinkle flour on the dough. Roll the dough flat but not thin. Please do not skip the eggs to keep the lights on. I would appreciate that. Line the baking tray with a non-stick baking paper. Here I was trying to see if my dough will fit the tray. Fill the dough with the mashed potatoes. First, level it. If you have been supporting this channel, I would like to say thank you. You are doing an amazing job. I am encouraged. If you have recipes that you would like us to try, please comment below. Add the cheese in abundance. Do not leave patches. This garlic bread can be served in barbecues or braai or alone or a snack. Close the dough by bringing the edges together at the center, then pinching them to stick them together. Remove it from the pan, then turn it over on the surface. Roll it once more. You may sprinkle flour if it is sticky. With the help of a rolling pin, pick the dough up and put it on a baking pan. Make a trench around the circumference of the dough as shown in the video. Brush the dough with melted butter. This is for softness, the flavor and the texture. Oh, and that golden crust. Make the trench lines at the center as shown. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. Sprinkle the poppy seeds or any that you have. That's optional, but it is for crunch. Bake between 30 to 35 minutes or until the bread is golden. Meanwhile, chop the fresh parsley, then mix it with melted butter. Please press the like button to support and to populate this video. Brush with the herb butter while the bread is still hot. I wanted to get a perfect balance of flavors and textures. I think I have achieved it. Please do not leave dry patches. If you are up for an adventure and you would like to try out this recipe for yourself, be sure to let me know in the comments how it turns out. Serve hot. Look at that combination of buttery golden crust with creamy and cheesy filling. That's a match made in heaven. The best part is it is easy to make it at home. Delicious. I hope you will enjoy this baking adventure. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon. You are loved. Stay blessed. Bye bye.